What is crypto arbitrage trading and how does it work? So crypto arbitrage trading is buying your assets at a lower price in a centralized platform like Binance via P2P and selling them on a higher price on a decentralized platform. So make sure you comment crypto arbitrage trading for you to get free classes and also free funding. We are starting crypto arbitrage trading with 973 and we will be trading and receiving our assets right here in Binance. So you get it. We buy low on Binance and sell high on Ranquilly. Binance is our centralized platform and Ranquilly is our decentralized platform. But our profits will be sent direct to our Binance account. So no withdrawal, you just enter your Binance address, then you get funded to your Ranquilly account. So we are starting our trade with 973 USDTs in our centralized platform for arbitrage opportunity, that is Binance, and our decentralized platform for this arbitrage opportunity is Ranquilly. So we come after funding your Ranquilly account, you should fund it. Go watch my previous videos if you don't know how to fund your decentralized platform, which is Ranquilly for crypto arbitrage. Just go watch my pinned videos, or you can comment how to fund and I will do a video for you. So you come after funding, you come to P2P arbitrage, then you click on sell. I have a running trade, my guys. I didn't release. I think they sent an email. You come to P2P arbitrage here. After clicking P2P arbitrage, go to sell. So you can sell BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, depending on the crypto coin you are holding. So today I'll be sending, which rate is this? You should check the rates also. Let's sell with the rate of 1.10. So I will be selling USDTs. I have a lot of USDTs holding in Ranquilly for this crypto arbitrage opportunity, and I'll be selling 100 USDT. So I want to show you what 100 can actually make you. So 100 with the rate of 1.10 in Ranquilly, I'll be making 107 USDTs. But if I could be trading with 1,000, I could get 1,078. So that tells you that the more the capital, the more the profit. So you don't trade arbitrage once, you can do it twice, you can do it 4 times. So 7 times 4, you make some good profits, and all are going to your external wallet, that is Binance. So you go there, they fund there, then you withdraw to this one, then you proceed. So I receive in my external wallet, not internal wallet, and I will enter Binance. So I go to my Binance account and copy the address, copy my deposit address, actually for USDT. You can get it here, copy. I want you to check the balance right now, 973. Yeah? Then after trading, you will see what we'll get. So after that, I'll come and paste my Binance address here and review. Then check everything. Check everything is, if everything is correct, then I will process and wait my profits in my Binance account. So I'm not waiting my profits in Ranquilly account. Rather, I'm waiting my profits in my centralized exchange. So that's how crypto arbitrage trading works. And actually today we'll be waiting until the video ends. It is actually, I should be paid within 30 minutes. So let's wait and we confirm that everything works so that we don't do guesswork. So let's wait, guys. So I've got a confirmation that the deposit has been sent. You can check there, 107.8. 7.8 is our take profit. So let's refresh our Binance. You can see 1081 paid through crypto arbitrage trading. Then you come to this account, your Ranquilly account. This is our trade, and you click release assets to wallet. So these assets are held by what we call escrow wallet. So this escrow wallet, your funds can't get stolen. You can't lose your funds if that exchange has escrow wallet. So it makes it easy for crypto arbitrage trading. So if you don't release, the funds will be held and you will be accountable for the for everything. So after releasing our assets, that's it. Easy 7.8 USDT's profit. That is around 1,000 and something Kenyan shillings. So it is not a bad investment. Make sure you start trading crypto arbitrage trading. And if you have any question, make sure you follow me, you chat me anytime. I will answer your questions. So let's meet in the next video and make more profits with crypto.